Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a task list or to-do list in your notes using the Obsidian Notes app in 2026. So let us begin. Head over to your note inside the Obsidian Notes application and your vault. Click into the text field and right click into it. Select paragraph and choose task list. Start with your first task. Give it a name. I will go to task number 1. Skip to the next line to insert and name the next task, and so on and so forth, as you can see. So if you press tab on your keyboard, you will see that indentation here. However, guys, these tasks list, of course, for example, to add a subtask like this, so we can, for instance, collapse or expand that task. So guys, these tasks have, of course, these checkboxes to the left, which means if you click into them, if you left mouse, the given task will be marked as complete, including also the subtask here if you give it a name, subtask 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.